off the edge and fuck your bitch, don't want her back. Had to switch my lane, kick it sneaky just like rats.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me and I'm back with another video. So, y'all like my hair? Yeah. That ain't what this video is about though. Do y'all see my jewelry? Hold on, let me get right. Let me get right, cause hold on, let me get right. Okay. Y'all see it. Get into it. Yeah. 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 So this jewelry is from Silviax. I believe that's how you say it. That's how it's spelled. So if I'm pronouncing it wrong, forgive me. But they sent me these pieces of jewelry, and they sent me some new jewelry that I wanted to come and show you guys because like I absolutely love their jewelry. And funny story, before this company ever like emailed me or anything, I was already buying jewelry from them. The very first nameplate necklace that well, not the very first one, but the nameplate necklace that I had before this one, I got it from them like 2 Christmases ago. So when they reached out to me, I was like, and I was really sad about my nameplate because it ended up snapping like in half down the middle. But that's another story. But anyway, they sent me some new jewelry. So yeah, and as you guys can see, the company name is right here. So if I said it wrong, then... And of course, the details will be down in the description. So I'm going to show y'all what they sent me this time. So this time, I don't want to show y'all this one first. I want to show y'all that one next. I'm going to start with this. So they sent me a bracelet that says Libra. Y'all see? And it has like rhinestones or whatever, like in the letters. So how you put it on is it's a latch right here. You open it up, do like that. And I wear all my bracelets on my left hand because I'm right-handed and I use my right hand for more things than I do my left hand. And I don't like my jewelry to get in the way. So yeah, then you clamp it like that and then snap the latch and boom, the bracelet is on. And obviously I'm a Libra, that's why it says Libra. And you guys, y'all can customize these the jewelry to say whatever you wanted to say. I think they have like a 10 character maximum. It's 8 to 10 depending on the jewelry that you get, but most of the jewelry on there has like an 8, I believe, maximum. Okay, then the second thing they sent me, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Because this, I think this is like my favorite thing, like out of everything that I got. So look, get into it. Get into it, okay? This right here is my absolute favorite. Okay, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Like, I'm gonna put it on because I just like it so much. I don't wear this one every day because it's like so flashy. This is just for like special occasions. I whip it out, or if I just wanted to wear it like for pictures. But yeah, y'all see that? I'm iced out. Period. I got my name on me like 4 times. Yeah. So this is like my first name, Cameron, and this is my social media name, BadGyalCam, and then this is my nickname that damn near everybody calls me, Cam. Yeah, especially if you know me like in real life, then 9 times out of 10 you call me Cam. Unless you're like really close family, then you probably just call me Cameron because that's what everybody in my house calls me. So yeah, y'all. Oh, I got some earrings from them too. I didn't put them in because they're hoops and I didn't want to wear hoops today. These earrings are not from them, but I can show y'all the hoops. I gotta find what box it's in because I told y'all like they sent me, it's in here. They've sent me a lot of jewelry. So boom, look at the earrings. The earrings say my name as well. This give me like ATL vibes, the movie ATL. Yeah, you know they call me new because I always rocks the new head ass. But yeah, like this jewelry is super cute and I love it so much. I have a promotional code. I believe it's my I believe it's BadGyalCam. I don't know, I'm finna look. Okay, so yeah, my code is BadGyalCam 10. So basically my social media name with the number 10 at the end. I'm gonna put it down in the description with the link as well. But y'all, this jewelry is so cute. I believe it's gold plated. And it looks so good in the sun. Like, if the sun was out, I would literally go outside and show y'all how it looks in the sun. But I have pictures, so I'll just, like, insert the pictures. But, yeah, because as y'all can see, like, through the broken piece of blinds right there, it's cloudy outside. So, yeah. It's giving. And I'm iced out. Ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out. Yeah. Ice me out. Period. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all like how it be dancing like in certain lighting. So look at that, like that shit dancing. Diamonds, diamond, diamond, diamonds on me dancing. Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. So this is like two different lightings so you can see how it look. Like it's giving. I know you're jealous. Okay, and one thing that I did not mention that I meant to mention is all the jewelry comes with these cloths so you can clean it and keep your jewelry fresh. Okay, so as I told y'all in the beginning, like before, like I even got emails, like I was already buying jewelry from this company. So the reason why the first thing I got from them broke in half is because I did not take care of it. So care for this jewelry. Put everything back in the box. That's it. It's so simple. Just put everything back in the box. Use the cloths to clean them. And your jewelry will stay fresh and new. Like I wear these two every day. Like basically every day. And they still look good. I've had them for like what, 4 months now? Because I got these in like December, I believe. So I had them, it's April now. So had these for like 4 months. This one too. So you just use the cloths to clean them, and they be looking good and staying good. So yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show y'all my jewelry drip. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing some, the link will be down below with all the details on how to get you some, so you could be iced out like me, so you could look good like me, so you could have your name on you like me, period. So I will see y'all in my next video.